Scott Groves with another mortgage mystery. Should I use my VA loan if I'm a veteran and I'm eligible to use my VA loan, or should I go with some type of other product? Well, I can tell you the answer to this question got much easier after 2020. As part of the revised Soldier-Sailor Act that was enacted underneath President Trump, the loan limits on a VA loan were lifted to an unlimited amount. And here's what this means. It used to be that if you were getting a veteran's loan or a VA loan and you were a veteran of the military, thank you for your service if you're watching this, you could only get a loan as high as the county FHA limits. So what happens is the FHA, the Federal Housing Administration, they come out every year and they say, well, based on the median price in your area, we will only allow you to get a loan that's guaranteed by the government up to $350,000 or $400,000, or in some high-cost areas like Miami and Los Angeles and Chicago, you can get a conventional loan, an FHA loan, or a VA loan up to $875,000, whatever the limits are for that particular year and that particular county. However, the VA, the Veterans Administration, through this updated Soldier-Sailor Act, they said, you know what, if you're a veteran and you can qualify, you can actually do a zero money down loan for an unlimited loan amount as long as you qualify with your credit, your finances, your income, and your assets, right? So think about this. Up until a couple years ago, you were limited by the type of house you could buy with a VA loan due to your own finances, of course, but also the loan limits in your area. So from time to time, it might make sense to look at other loan options, a jumbo loan, a conventional loan, money where you had to put a down payment. However, with these revised guidelines, now being able to say, hey, if you qualify for a $3 million home purchase with zero money down, you can get zero money down, the same great rate, and no mortgage insurance by using your VA loan. Most recently, our team, who does a lot of business in Los Angeles, did a loan for $2.7 million with zero money down, very, very amazing interest rate, and no mortgage insurance. And the client, who is a hedge fund manager, had plenty of money in the bank to put 20 or 30% down if they wanted to and get a more traditional loan. But he said, hey, if you're going to give me a great mortgage at a great rate with no money out of my pocket, why wouldn't I take advantage of my veterans benefits? So much easier question to answer post 2020. Of course, these things can change on a dime and the Veterans Administration can change the guideline. But the most challenging thing you're going to find if you're using your VA loan for jumbo financing or a more expensive loan over the county limits, basically if you're getting a big boy VA loan, you're probably going to have the problem of the listing agent, the person who's listing the house, the agent who's accepting the offers and advising their client on who should be able to buy the house. You're probably going to have a hard time selling the listing agent on the idea of selling you the house, because on paper, it looks like you're putting zero down and you're not as financially qualified as maybe somebody who is putting 10, 20, or 30% down. So you have to work with a phenomenal loan officer who knows VA loans, knows how to talk to listing agent, and knows how to be your advocate in that transaction. Because think about it this way, you're buying a $300,000 house or a $3 million house, and the listing agent gets the offer and they're like, well, this is weird, they're not putting any money down, I guess that's a bad offer. You need a loan officer that can call and fight on your behalf and be your advocate to help get your offer accepted. So if you're thinking about getting a VA loan, and I don't care if it's for $130,000 or $3.7 million, I'm a veteran myself, 11 Charlie Mortarman from the Army. I love doing VA loans. I've done several for myself and my family. I've done hundreds of them for clients. So we'd really love to help you get pre-approved, help you make an offer, and be your advocate in getting a VA loan and taking advantage of those benefits you earned by serving your country. So leave a comment below, shoot me an email, text me, my phone number is here. Also, our Calendly link is here if you want to get directly on our calendar. We'll respond within 24 hours. We'll help you get fully pre-approved for a VA loan, let you know what you can do, and then move forward with getting into your dream house. Scott Groves with Mortgage Mysteries. Leave a comment, click the like button, subscribe to the channel, and if there's some mystery or question that you have about the mortgage process or buying a house, just leave a comment below. We'll shoot a video and try to get it up within 24 hours. Talk soon.